Hello student, welcome all of you for BSc first year student, semester first, and our paper is differential calculus. Differential calculus. This is first paper. Differential calculus, and first point of our syllabus is what is meant by derivability. What is meant by derivability? What is the derivative? What is meant by derivative? So in 12th standard, you have already discussed what is meant by derivative of function. What is meant by derivative of function? So before that, actually this derivative is the concept, and which is describe function f of x. What is meant by f of x? So what is meant by function? Try to understand what is meant by function. Is an important to understand what is meant by derivative. Actually in BSc first year, in 12th standard, you have already discussed about it. But I am going to revise what is meant by function. So student, let f be the function such that function is nothing but the mapping. It is just a mapping from the set A to B. Suppose A be the any set and B be the any set, any non-empty set, and element of the set A associate to element of the set B with some certain manner or in a particular way or a particular rule, and that rule, we said that rule is said to be function for these two sets. Suppose we consider A be the sets, I denoted it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and B be the set, I denoted it by like this. So this is a set B and this is a set A. Now we define the function from A to B. We define function from the set A to B. If I associate this 1 to 1, 2 to 4, 3 to 9, 4 to 16, 5 to 25, 6 to 36 and 7 to 49. So from this mapping, you will understand what is the relation between them. So in set B, there are some elements 1, 4, 9, 16, and all these elements are square of elements of set A. So I write it as, so f of x is equal to x square. So what is meant by f of x is equal to x square? Means f be the function. What is function? Function indicate that the rule by which element of set A associate to element of set B. So if we put here f of 1 is equal to 1 square and 1 square is 1. So this one belonging to the set A. After that f of 2 is equal to 2 square is equal to 4. So this set belonging to B, this set belonging to B, and this one belong to A, these two belong to A, like this. And there is a relation A to B. What relation? Relation is the square. So in this way, we can count all these things. 3 square is 9. Then f of 4 is 4 square is 9. So in this way. So what is the function? Function is some special type of rule by which element of some set A associate to set B. So this set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. These are the element of B. So we get one order pair. This one associate to 1, 2 associate 4, 3 associate 9, 4 associate 16, 5 associate 25, and so on. This is function F. And when we plot this point on our Cartesian coordinate system, this is Cartesian coordinate system, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And there are 1. I write directly, missing the term 2, 3, between 1 and 4, 9, 16 in this way. So image of 1 is 1, 2 is like this 4, 3 is like this 9, 4 is like this 16, and after we draw this we get a graph. Actually, okay, I take here because ratio is not there properly. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So first order is, see here, first order is 1, 1, that means square of 1 is 1. Second order is 2, 4, square of 2 is 4. Third order is 3, 6, 3, 9, so square of 3 is 9. So in this way, if we plot this point, 1, 1, 2 square is 4, so 2, 4, 3 square is 9, so 3, 9, in this way, we get like this graph. And if 0 is 0, 0 square is 0, so we get like this graph. Is it right? So this graph is the graph of function. If we plot all these points 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16, 5, 25, if we plot these all order pairs of the function on the graph, then we get a, on this coordinate system, then we get a graph. And this is a graph of the function, graph of function. And here point 1, 1, here point 2, 4, here point 3, 9, like this. So this is a 1, element of A, and this 1 is nothing but f of 1. This is a 2, and this 4 is nothing but f of 2. See here, f of 2 is 4, like that. This 3 is nothing but f of 3. So student, try to understand what is meant by function and how we can plot the graph of function on the coordinate system. So it is vice versa. Every function has a graph and every graph has a function. Actually, these things we have discussed in 12th standard, 11th standard. I just revise it. So if, see here, f be the any function defined from A to B, and A be the any element belong to A, then f of A be the element of B. Remember this. If a plus h belonging to the element A, then f of a plus h with the element belong to B. Try to understand this. If A belongs to A, then f of A belongs to B, and if A plus h belongs to A, then f of A plus h belongs to B. So in general, I did the general discuss, and that is if f be the function from A to B and there is a point A, so what is the image of A? We called it as image f of A. Then B, so what is the image of B? F of B. If I take here A plus H, what is the image of this? F of A plus H. So this A is set A, we called it as the domain, and this set B, we called it as the codomain. Codomain. And f of A, f of B, f of A plus H, and so on, these terms are called as image. And this A, B, A plus H all called as pre-image. So here f of A is the image of 1, f of B is the image of B, f of A plus H is the image of A plus H. And A plus H is pre-image of f of A plus H. B is pre-image of f of B. A is pre-image of f of B. So in this way, we can indicate the relation, indicate the function from set A to set B. And first class example is f of x is equal to x square. Actually, what is the function? We indicate it by f. And what is function? Function is a rule by which we can associate element of set A to element of set B. I suggest you that you yourself try to find some function. Actually, in 12th standard and also in 11th standard, we have discussed about some types of function: constant function, polynomial function, logarithmic function, trigonometric function, and so on. I suggest you, please you revise it. In the next lecture, we will start what is meant by derivability and what is meant by derivative. Thank you. Thank you very much.